A user-managed backup is like having a spare tire for your car. You might not need it every day, but when you do, you'll be glad you have it. In the world of databases, this means taking direct control of how, when, and where your data is backed up. It puts you in the driver's seat, giving you the flexibility to tailor your backup strategy to your specific needs and resources. Unlike automated solutions, which can feel like a black box, user-managed backups offer transparency and control. You decide the backup frequency, storage location, and retention policies. This hands-on approach allows for greater customization, ensuring your backups align perfectly with your data recovery goals. Of course, with greater control comes greater responsibility. User-managed backups demand a deeper understanding of your database environment and backup procedures. But for those willing to invest the effort, the rewards are significant. Increased reliability, enhanced security, and the peace of mind that comes with knowing your data is truly protected. Before diving into the technical details, it's crucial to establish a solid backup strategy. This is the blueprint that will guide your backup efforts, ensuring they are effective and aligned with your business objectives. Start by identifying your critical data assets. What data is essential for your operations? Which data would cause significant disruption if lost? Next, determine your recovery time objective, RTO. This is the maximum acceptable downtime in the event of data loss. A shorter RTO demands more frequent backups and faster recovery mechanisms. Similarly, consider your recovery point objective, RPO. This represents the maximum acceptable data loss. A smaller RPO requires more frequent backups to minimize potential data loss. Finally, choose the appropriate backup types for your needs. Full backups create a complete copy of your data, offering comprehensive protection but requiring significant storage space. Differential backups only capture changes since the last full backup, reducing storage needs but increasing recovery time. Incremental backups, which we'll explore in detail later, offer the most efficient approach, backing up only changes since the last backup of any type. With your strategy in place, it's time to put your plan into action. This involves selecting the right tools and technologies to facilitate your backups. Many database management systems offer built-in backup utilities, providing a convenient starting point. However, specialized backup software often offers more advanced features and flexibility. When choosing backup tools, consider factors like ease of use, automation capabilities, and compatibility with your database platform. Look for features like scheduling, compression, and encryption to streamline your backup process and enhance data security. Once you've chosen your tools, it's time to configure your backup environment. This involves specifying backup locations, setting up storage infrastructure, and defining retention policies. For enhanced security and disaster recovery, consider leveraging off-site or cloud-based storage solutions. Remember, your backup environment should be designed for reliability and accessibility, ensuring your backups are readily available when needed. Incremental backups are a powerful technique for optimizing your backup strategy. Unlike full or differential backups, which capture a significant portion of your data each time, incremental backups focus solely on changes made since the last backup of any type. This approach minimizes storage consumption and reduces the time required to create backups. The beauty of incremental backups lies in their chained nature. Each incremental backup relies on the previous backup in the chain, forming a complete picture of your data. To restore, you start with the last full backup and sequentially apply each incremental backup. While this might seem complex, modern backup tools streamline this process, making recovery efficient and straightforward. Incremental backups offer several advantages. They minimize storage requirements, reduce backup creation time, and minimize disruption to your database environment. This makes them ideal for frequently changing databases or environments with limited storage capacity. However, the chained nature of incremental backups requires careful management and monitoring. If a single backup in the chain is corrupted, subsequent backups become unusable, potentially jeopardizing your data recovery. Even with a well-defined strategy and meticulous execution, backup challenges can arise. Understanding common issues and their solutions is crucial for maintaining a robust backup system. One common problem is backup failures. These can occur due to various factors, such as network connectivity issues, insufficient storage space, or software malfunctions. Troubleshooting backup failures involves identifying the root cause and implementing corrective actions. Check network connections, verify storage availability, and scrutinize backup logs for error messages. If the issue persists, consult the documentation for your backup software or seek assistance from technical support. Another frequent challenge is slow backup performance. This can stem from large data volumes, inadequate hardware resources, or inefficient backup methods. To address slow backups, optimize your backup strategy by using incremental backups, upgrading hardware, or adjusting backup schedules to minimize impact on database performance. Regularly monitor backup durations and identify bottlenecks to ensure backups complete within acceptable timeframes. Despite technological advancements, human error remains a significant factor in backup failures. Mistakes in configuration, accidental deletions, or inadequate testing can compromise your backups and jeopardize data recovery. To mitigate human error, establish clear procedures and checklists for backup operations. Implement role-based access controls to restrict access to critical backup settings and prevent accidental modifications. Thoroughly document your backup strategy, including procedures, configurations, and recovery steps, ensuring consistency and reducing the risk of misinterpretation. Regular training and knowledge sharing are crucial for keeping your team informed about best practices and potential pitfalls. Encourage a culture of attention to detail and double-checking, fostering a sense of responsibility for backup integrity. Automated backup verification, which we'll discuss later, can help detect errors early on, reducing the chances of discovering problems during actual data recovery. Remember, even the most sophisticated backup system is vulnerable to human error. As your data volumes grow, your backup strategy must evolve to accommodate the increased demands. What worked for a small database might not be suitable for a massive data warehouse. Scalability in backups involves ensuring your backup system can handle expanding data sizes without compromising performance or reliability. One approach to scaling backups is to leverage cloud-based storage solutions. Cloud providers offer scalable infrastructure, allowing you to easily adjust storage capacity as your needs evolve. Cloud backups also offer benefits like geographic redundancy and disaster recovery capabilities. Another scalability consideration is parallelization. By splitting your backups into smaller chunks and processing them concurrently, you can significantly reduce backup times. Modern backup software often includes features for parallel backups, leveraging the power of multi-core processors and distributed computing. Regularly assess your backup performance and storage utilization to identify potential bottlenecks and proactively adjust your strategy to accommodate future data growth. Creating backups is only half the battle. It's equally crucial to monitor your backups and verify their integrity, ensuring they are ready for action when needed. Monitoring your backup process involves tracking key metrics like backup durations, success rates, and storage consumption. Establish alerts for failed backups or unusual trends, enabling you to address issues promptly and prevent potential data loss. Regularly review backup logs for detailed insights into the backup process, identifying any warnings or errors that require attention. Verification goes beyond simply checking if backups completed successfully. It involves testing the recoverability of your backups, ensuring you can restore your data when disaster strikes. Perform periodic test restores to validate your backup integrity and identify any potential issues with the recovery process. This allows you to fine-tune your backup strategy and gain confidence in your ability to recover your data effectively. In the dynamic world of technology, your backup strategy should not be static. Regular reviews and updates are essential for ensuring your backups remain effective and aligned with your evolving business needs. At least annually, review your backup strategy, considering factors like data growth, RTO, RPO requirements, and technological advancements. Assess your backup tools and technologies, exploring new solutions that might offer enhanced performance, security, or cost-effectiveness. Evaluate your storage infrastructure, ensuring it can accommodate future data volumes and meet your disaster recovery objectives. Don't be afraid to adjust your backup frequency, retention policies, or storage locations based on your evolving needs. The technology landscape is constantly changing, with new threats and vulnerabilities emerging regularly. Stay informed about industry best practices, security recommendations, and emerging backup technologies. By embracing a proactive approach to reviews and updates, you can ensure your user-managed backups remain a reliable and adaptable safety net for your valuable data. Mastering user-managed backups is an ongoing journey, not a one-time destination. It requires a deep understanding of your data, a well-defined strategy, meticulous execution, and a commitment to continuous improvement. By embracing the principles outlined in this guide, you can transform your backup system from a reactive measure to a proactive shield, safeguarding your data against the unexpected. Remember, backups are an investment, not an expense. They represent insurance against data loss, ensuring business continuity, and safeguarding your organization's most valuable asset, its data. Embrace the power of user-managed backups, tailor them to your unique needs, and rest assured knowing your data is protected by a reliable and adaptable safety net.